Deep cleaning on Asus VivoBook X415EA laptop. Thank you, Ma'am Jam, for trusting Peak ETIT Solutions. We performed a full deep cleaning service on the Asus VivoBook X415EA laptop to ensure optimal performance and prevent overheating issues. The process involved carefully disassembling the unit to access internal components, including the cooling fan, heatsink, and motherboard. All accumulated dust, dirt, and debris were thoroughly removed using appropriate tools such as an air blower, anti-static brush, and vacuum to maintain cleanliness and component safety. The cooling system was meticulously cleaned, and thermal paste on the CPU and GPU was replaced with high-quality thermal compound to improve heat dissipation. Additional attention was given to vents and ports, ensuring there were no blockages that could restrict airflow. After reassembling the laptop, we conducted system diagnostics to confirm proper fan operation and temperature stability. The deep cleaning has significantly improved the laptop's cooling efficiency and overall performance. Deep cleaning is done. Visit our shop to avail our service. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.